lunch. That truck really creeped me out. There's a truck that went down and right by me, and then like slowed down to see what I was doing, then it sped up and it's gone around the block. So I'm just gonna come over here in case. A lot of weird people out at this time of day. Day, night and day. Who freaking knows? Okay. Now I'm in a little cubby. I want to say that it's snowing because when I look at the ground light out there, I can see it. Like I can see all the little woo going in front of the light. But everywhere else, I can't see it. So, who knows? This table is making sounds like a speaker, like an electric speaker that's fizzing out. It's weird. I'll just take this. We're almost. Oh, hot damn! I'm wet. It must be some sort of mist. Almost done with the frustrating work. So yay. About 6 hours, 6 hours. I'll be able to clock out and go home until Thursday, which will be lovely. Lovely indeed. I don't really know what to talk about too terribly much on the days that I do my shifts because like I'm in work mode, so it's hard. I guess it's not hard to come up with topics. I just don't come up with topics, or things don't settle in the grooves of my brain and just like wait, like on my days off, or I just collect everything. But there's a train, so I should probably go because I can't hear myself, so I can only imagine how it sounds to you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Something magical happens. Lots of magic. Think magical day. All right. Bye for now.